Okay, so we went for a walk to the end of our block where the river's at. So this is where it's at. We got like 2 to 3 feet, but in some places it is like 5 feet where it drifted. You can see like those are the benches. It's crazy. Let's check this out. It's pretty though. It's real pretty. There's Jessica ahead of us. Hi, Jessica. So we're gonna go check this out. I don't know, this is definitely like 2-3 feet through here. Wow.
There's a poop down here.
Here, let me get in front of you. There we go. Oh, that was deep. Oh, okay. So this is getting a little more treacherous. You see, you're doing pretty good. What time in the morning is it?
It is 6:53.
Yeah, we got up early because we thought we had to work, but we got the day off. There's the pig. Chris knows that pig well. Or a boar, I think it might be a boar. Okay, so here is the East River, Queensboro Bridge. After the blizzard, that's Brooklyn. Downtown. Oh, that's Brooklyn down there. It's really nice. It stopped snowing, so we got ourselves a little break. Alright, so this is the way it looks like in the morning.